Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making Cameroon jollof rice, guys. It's very easy. The ingredients are as follows. We have approximately 1,000 grams of rice here. I'm going to be using Yasmin rice. I have some chopped bell peppers, red, yellow, and green. I have some green beans here chopped and carrots chopped. I have black pepper, white pepper, and this is my tomato paste. I have Maggi or vegetable bouillon. I have some red meat here and crayfish. I have salt. I have approximately 6 medium-sized tomatoes here and some spring onions. I have approximately 4 medium-sized onions here, both red and white, ginger and garlic. And I have my vegetable oil. So I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients again from above. Voila! So the first thing we're going to do will be to boil our meat with a little bit of salt and little water. So I'm going to place my meat in the pot. And I'm going to add some water. Cover this up and boil till tender. So next thing we're going to do will be to blend and ginger, garlic and spring onion and set aside. Presenting to you are blended ginger, garlic and spring onions. Keep this aside. Next thing we're going to do will be to chop our onion and tomatoes. Presenting to you my chopped tomatoes and onions. Keep this aside. Our meat is ready. Remove your meat from the pot and chop into more tiny pieces, and also keep the broth aside as we are going to be using the broth. So this is our boiled meat. We are going to further reduce the sizes and then keep aside for later use. Guys, so this is the broth from boiling the meat, and this is the meat already reduced in size. Alright, so I'm going to keep this aside. Place a pot on the stove and add some vegetable oil to the pot. We're going to wait until the oil gets hot and then we fry our meat. So we're going to go ahead and fry our meat. Fry till dark brown in coloration. We're going to go ahead and stir. Our meat has been well fried. I'm going to remove this and place on paper towel. So this is our fried meat. Keep this aside. Guys, our tomatoes are halfway fried, so we're going to bring in our tomato paste at this point. Stir. Continue to fry. So guys, our tomatoes have been well fried, both the fresh and the tomato paste. So we're going to go ahead and add our onion. Stir. At this point, we're going to add our black and white pepper. That's the white pepper. And our black pepper. Mix everything up. So we're going to wait for approximately 2 minutes and then we bring in the other ingredients. So at this point, we're going to bring in our ground spices, ginger, garlic, and spring onions. Mix. Guys, if you use a lot of green spices, they're going to overshadow the color of your red jollof rice. Oh, yeah. So the next thing we're going to do will be to bring in the broth. Stir. We're going to bring in our salt and Maggi. Make sure to control the quantity of salt used because we already used salt when we were boiling our meat. Mix. We're going to bring in the crayfish. Mix. So at this point, guys, we're going to usher in our rice. Our parboiled rice. Mix everything up. So at this stage, we're going to bring in a little bit of water. Guys, I'm using warm water. You can use hot water. Mix everything up and taste to make sure that your salt and Maggi are balanced. Cover this up and cook on low flame. See you later. So guys, our rice is about to get ready. So at this stage, we're going to bring in our vegetables. So I'm just going to put all my green beans, carrots, bell peppers, all chopped. Guys, I forgot to mention that if you want it spicy, add some habanero pepper. I'm going to also bring in all my fried meat. Guys, at this stage you can use some aluminum foil to seal this up. But if you want your vegetables to be crispy, you can put them at the end. This is in order to trap heat. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and unveil. And then we're going to mix up everything. Guys, for even better results, it's good you use strong rice like Uncle Ben rice. The parboiling process is optional. Make sure to use little water as much as possible. Monitor. Serve and enjoy with family. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.